Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the WILEY Online Journals on and off campus. On the library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-Resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals page, just scroll down to the very bottom until you come across the WILEY Online Journals icon and then just click on that. Now on the WILEY Online Journals page, just click on the logo to access this e-resource. You should now find yourself on the WILEY Online Library main page. On the top right of the screen, you will see a Login Register button. Just click on that and a pop-up window should appear on the middle of the screen. Here it will ask for your email and password. Underneath the Login button, you will find the Institutional Login button. Just click on that, where you'll now find yourself being asked to search for your institution. In the search bar underneath, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. And now finally, you'll be asked for your username and password. Just enter in your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the Login button.